So I'll just take you into the room and show you the size of it so that you can take a look.
One of the main questions that we often will get asked is, when they're pre-arranging, do I need to have a will? The answer is yes. The will is very important to both you and your surviving family member.
Having a will is extremely important and makes things a lot easier for us as the funeral director, as well as for the family. It gives kind of a clear direction as who we take direction from.
The will include financial decisions, medical decisions, so you want to have the right person making those decisions for you. So it's very important to choose either a family member or friend who knows what your wishes are and you're comfortable sharing that information with them, and also comforted knowing that they're going to follow through with your wishes.
It's important to have a funeral professional involved with the decisions you make, because the decisions you make will be informed decisions. The funeral professional will be able to guide you and really give you the best experience and the best knowledge on what should happen and what should occur. Something a little bit more intricate, it's really your preference. If you have a favorite color.
At least from the time you're 20 years of age, having that will is crucial. You should go visit a lawyer and they will go through all of the different options, because there are many things that we don't think about. Because if something were to happen to us, who's going to step up and make these decisions for you? Without a will, you're going to have a government agency or someone else make those decisions for you. So I would suggest that we all have a will, so we have the chosen friends or family members who can help follow through with what our wishes are.
What do you think?
I like it.
It's one of those things that we sit down and make sure, as if they are going to do their financial planning or talk about investments or their futures, their retirement planning. When we're sitting down with them, we're often covering those same areas, and we're talking to them about the importance of a will and about the importance of powers of attorney and how all of that unfolds at the time when someone actually passes away, because there is a lot of misconception out there about wills and executors, and now they're called estate trustees, and power of attorneys, and who has say and how they all work. So when people come in, we can give them some good advice on making sure all of their affairs are in order, pre-planning of course, but also all of those other areas, because those are the things that are all going to eventually need to be taken care of.
Whether they're medical decisions in the hospital, or who's going to pay my mortgage because I'm in the hospital and I can't make those decisions, I can't step out and pay my bills. Somebody in your will can help you do that. That's very crucial. So from 20 on, I think it's very important that we all maintain and start a will.
You want to make sure that you sit down and have the conversation. You don't want to be stuck in a situation with what now and wondering, you know, something that wasn't even a thought becoming a harsh reality. There's so many times that people say, oh, I'm going to, and never do sit down to make those arrangements. And knowing that there's over 90 decisions that need to be made, alleviating the majority of those things early on helps to make the whole process a lot simpler.